82. Number 82 is our next rider in. On deck, number 113, getting ready our last rider, 222.
Come on, Sam, you can do it! Let her go!
Is that because of the blue dogs?
No, she's 22.
I couldn't say.
Really? Yeah. Wow. You can't tell it. She loves to compete. Good girl, good girl! Come on, Sam! Keep it going!